Hellcat.
Alright guys, there is a severe thunderstorm warning that is in front of you. It is scary. I don't know whether I can make it home or not. We'll just have to see. I'm on my bike, as you know. Yesterday we had a storm. It did not reach us, just lightning, no tornadoes. But I think with this weather, it's like almost 30 degrees. It feels like 30 degrees outside. It could pretty strong. So I'm gonna head home quickly. Hope I won't get struck. And I'll see you later, guys. Look at it, this is the front yard. I'm gonna go to the front. I hope the car wouldn't have a dent. Okay, let's go back to the backyard. I'm gonna go onto the TV now. Sorry, guys. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen right now. It's just the heat warning. Yep, this is it.
You are watching Force of Nature, the extended for Thursday, July the 23rd.
The plants are in the front yard.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Take a look at this scene.
This is issued for South and Central Alberta.
I can't.
Okay, so it is here or over there. I'll update you guys if there's any development.
Of some supercells, including some rotation. This has now been replaced by a tornado warning. Take a close look here. This is the time to take shelter immediately. Stay away from windows and doors. Head to a basement, and of course, let's take a look at the development and the movement of these cells, the radar and reflectivity. Keep your eye on this time stamp here. This is our radar, and we are tracking the cells in real time here. They are moving eastward at about 15 kilometers per hour. They are currently located around the Springbank area. Once again, pushing from the foothills in Calgary towards the QE2. Northeast is the direction they are going.
Oh, now look, Twitter's already on it. That's the tornado in Calgary a few minutes ago. It touched down. Yeah. Yeah, it touched down. Alright. I'll put the link in the description so you can see. Alright, so the tornado warning has been dropped for Calgary.
These cells continue to move. They are moving in the eastward direction. They are currently over East Calgary at about 15 kilometers per hour, though another thunderstorm has developed in Calgary, pushing east at about 15 kilometers per hour. A closer look here at our weather alerts, our watches. Again, these are thunderstorm watches. Those just tuning in, the tornado watches have been dropped. These are thunderstorm watches in yellow. Warnings in red. Now, as you can see here, the city of Calgary, we're still dealing with severe thunderstorm warnings. The tornado warning has now been turned into a thunderstorm warning. The system is moving at about 25 kilometers per hour, but another thunderstorm has developed west of Calgary. This is moving in the eastern direction at about 15 kilometers per hour. Let's take a look.
So the tornado has been dropped. So, yeah.
That is hail, something we are
Alright, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you later. Commence the outro.